Hello lovely viewers, welcome. In this particular section, in this particular video, I want to talk about something new I've learned that I would want to share with you. So you might be wondering, what is the cheapest API or SMS gateway you can include into your system, your Laravel project or your any project that can make you send messages, bulk messages or single messages to clients, that can make your client be able to send SMS notification to users or other stuff. Alright, so there is a company called Nalo. Nalo is a company originally in Ghana. They provide SMS services like bulk SMS, single SMS, USSD, and other stuff. And they provide it at a very cool price. That is one of the main reasons why I want to share this particular video with you. So in here, all what you have to do is you open your new tab, you go to Google, and you will search Nalo solution. Nalo solution. So you can see that it's already generated for me. So when you press Nalo solution, all what you are going to do is you are going to select Nano. I think, yeah, you're going to select this. Nalo. It is down there. So you know what? I'm going to put the link to the site on the video description so you can watch and yes, have your way out. I'm sorry my internet is not moving so fast, but then this is the website. Alright, so all what you have to do is you have to go to login if you have an account. I already have an account with Nalo. So all what you have to do is you press your login, then you can log in with your account. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account. So I already have an account. All I have to do is continue with my Google account so that I can sign in. Alright, so I'll wait for the process to be done so that I can sign in. Alright, so you can see that I have successfully signed in to my Nalo account. So this is what you're going to see when you first sign in. You get the option to buy credits, and Charlie, they provide very beautiful offers. They give you the option to pay with your Momo, and I don't know, with any number, whether Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone, and everything. Charlie, this is a game changer. This is a mind blowing, bro. Alright, so when you are done with your payments, you see I already at the moment I've bought a credit of 5 cedis, and Charlie, with the 5 cedis you can send countless number of SMS messages with your system, right? So in here, all what you have to do is, you see you have SMS, you have to get a sender ID, so that if you can realize when there is a message, SMS message, you see there is a sender ID at the top. Alright, so currently I'm on pending. I've requested for a sender's ID, but then I'm on pending. I think they will approve me. Yeah, so you will request for one and you'll be on pending to the developers of the system. They approve you. So when you are done, you go down to your settings. You select your settings, and in here you can see authentication key, messages, and duplicates limit, right? So all you have to do is you have to press your authentication key. Yeah, for some reason. Alright, so for some reasons I wouldn't want to show you my authentication key. Alright, so that is authentication. You have to go to settings and you go to hotkeys. So now when you go to hotkeys, what you have to do is you have to copy the authentication key and go back to your code. I'm not going to do a new project with this SMS and configuration. I have an existing project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to include it into your project. But then in the future, if you want us to build a new system, like a system that works like a system that you are able to send SMS, a single SMS and a bulk SMS, you can comment it out in this particular video description, and Charlie, I'll be very happy to build a system like that with Laravel 10.15. Alright, so let's get along with it. So in here, I think probably if you're watching this video, I know you have some basics of Laravel PHP, right? That's what I'm saying. If you don't have any knowledge about it, you let me know. Eh? I will make a full video to build a full project on this authentication system like SMS and whatever you want to learn. I'm there for you. Alright, so in here you can see that I created a function called send SMS, and it's actually a request because I want to get some request from the input field and put it into the SMS. I don't want to input the SMS messages myself. I want to request it from what's the name, the UI. Yes, and put it there. So you can see here I'm putting this code of block in a catch, in a try or catch block, right? And in here we have a message. The message is equal to what, the whatever I'm getting from the UI. So if I have it and I created a variable called the header, so the header, maybe you want to give it a header of the letter, right? The SMS or the notification. So I just type greetings from the church and put that too. And after that, I created a variable called the phone number, and I accepted whatever the number that the user inputs. The full message to, I put the full message there. Yes, and here is where we have. Here is where the game, the mind blowing thing occurs. So in here we have a response. The response is accepting, is taking in the what, the HTTP post. It's making the post request of this particular endpoint. Please take note of this endpoint. This is the endpoint to send SMS, right? So when you write the HTTP, you have to make sure that you have imported the HTTP in here at the top here. HTTP request. You have to import it. There's the packets or whatever. Yeah. So if you import it, you scroll down here, and here they are asking for your key. So you can ask yourself, what is the key? What is the key that they are asking you for? So the key is the authentication key. If you could remember, we copied from the settings. That is where you're going to put your key, right? So that is the key. And this MSIDNS is the number that you want the email, the message to be sent to. So in here we have a phone number. The phone number, we are collecting the phone number that we want to send a message to from the request, right? And we are putting it here. And the message is the message, the particular message that you want to send it to. The particular message you want to send to the particular client or the user, you understand? And the sender's ID is the ID that will be given to you or you request in here. So actually now this is my ID. This question codes, yeah, this is my ID, right? So you put your sender's ID there, Charlie, then you are good to go. And in here you are checking for successful message or an error message. So you are checking if there is an error message, it should pop up the actual error message. So you can, this is purposely for debugging, so you can get a clearer understanding about your bug. And in here it's just a client or a lay person message to tell the person that, oh, maybe the message failed or something like that. Yeah, so this is a short video that I want to talk about this um, Nalo SMS gateway and how it works. You can, as I said earlier on, you can comment any question you have on this particular video I've made, and Charlie, I'll be very glad to give you assistance, right? Yeah, thank you very much. This is Kwesi and Charlie. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Yeah, wish you all the best. I bet you this is working perfectly. Okay, you let me give you a short demo. Just try it. Just try it. Try it for yourself. Eh? It's working perfectly. Alright, so this is a sample system I built with this SMS configuration that I would want you to check it out, yeah, for testing purpose. So in here, I guess you can get the username and Charlie. You type some small message to the person, hello world. This is my first SMS. First SMS. Yeah, so the moment you press send, and you automatically, it's very fast. Like the API works so fast that I can't just believe this. It's so mind blowing. It's so mind blowing. So we can check the SMS here, and you can see that you can check the SMS and yeah. So you can check the SMS and you will see that it has been sent successfully, right? So you can see that the message that we just sent has been sent successfully. Hello world, this is my first SMS and thank you for continuing. Yeah, so it's so simple and easy, Charlie. Alright, so I wish you the best of luck. I hope you don't find any challenges, Charlie. I'm grateful to help you. Thank you.